This spring, Santa Fe Public Schools will be implementing a new visitor management system throughout the district. Currently, when you visit most of our schools, you sign in manually. We are moving to a new electronic system to enhance safety and security for our students and staff and to better know who is in our buildings. This is how it works. During your first visit to any school site, you will give your government-issued ID to front desk personnel. The staff member at your school will scan your ID. If you do not have a government-issued ID, don't worry. Front desk personnel will be able to manually enter your name into the system if you have an approved alternative form of identification. Please note, the system does not check immigration status. All families are always welcome at our schools, regardless of citizenship status. The system prints a badge with all the necessary information, your name, your destination, and a picture with the date and time. This is just one more layer of security that will help keep our students safe. If you have any questions, please contact the District Event and Volunteer Coordinator, Sabra Romero.